Hey everyone, can't tell you how excited I am to be inside my camper. It's only February. We're not camping. Obviously, we had to climb inside to find the valve caps for our tires on the camper because Harry's taking the TPMS systems off of those. So we wanted to put the valve stem caps back on and remembered that they were inside the camper. So anyway, excited to be in here. Wish it was spring. Can't wait for our first camping trip of the year, but we'll get there. Weather's getting nice outside, and yeah, I just can't wait. See you soon.